Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. Today, we're doing something a little different from our usual how-tos and prepping tips. We're going to have some fun and take a look at 10 celebrities who are secretly preppers. Stick around until the end because you might be surprised by some of the names on this list and how they're preparing for the unexpected. There's a valuable lesson here. If the elites with all their resources are prepping, maybe we should too. Let's get started. Starting off our list with Joe Rogan, the king of podcasts. On the Joe Rogan Experience, he frequently discusses doomsday scenarios and the importance of being self-sufficient. Rogan owns a self-sufficient hunting ranch where he practices bow hunting and other survival skills. He believes in the importance of connecting with nature and knowing how to procure your own food. Rogan even has an Apocalypse Mobile, a vehicle equipped with everything he needs to survive on the move, from off-road capabilities to storage for supplies. Rogan is a black belt in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and a kickboxing expert, but his approach to prepping goes beyond just physical preparations. He emphasizes the importance of mental resilience and being able to adapt to changing situations. On his podcast, Rogan has hosted numerous experts in survival, self-defense, and health, providing his audience with a wealth of knowledge on how to prepare for various scenarios. His candid discussions on the need for self-sufficiency and preparedness have inspired many to take their own steps towards readiness. From firearms training to stockpiling essentials, Rogan covers all aspects of prepping, making him a prominent figure in the world of survival and preparedness. Now let's talk about the queen of reality TV, Kim Kardashian. Kim has invested in building an underground bunker. Her extensive home security measures are designed to keep her and her family safe from any threat. From surveillance systems to physical barriers, Kim's preparations are all about ensuring the safety of her loved ones in her high-profile lifestyle. She has a team of security experts who regularly update and improve their safety protocols. Additionally, Kim has been vocal about the importance of being prepared for emergencies, whether it's through having a secure home or knowing how to respond to crisis situations. Her bunker is equipped with all the amenities needed for long-term survival, including food supplies, water filtration systems, and medical kits. Kim's approach to prepping demonstrates that no matter how glamorous your life may be, being prepared is crucial. Her efforts to ensure her family's safety reflects her commitment to being ready for any situation, making her a notable figure in the world of celebrity preppers. Next, we have the media mogul Oprah Winfrey. Oprah has a high-security underground bunker as part of her vast estate. Known for her philanthropy and public presence, Oprah takes her personal security seriously. Her bunker is equipped to handle any emergency, ensuring her privacy and security. She has invested in advanced security systems and regularly consults with experts to keep her preparations up to date. Oprah's approach to preparedness reflects her proactive attitude towards life, ensuring she is ready for any eventuality while continuing her philanthropy and public engagements. Her bunker includes living quarters, food storage, medical supplies, and communication systems, making it a comprehensive solution for long-term survival. Oprah's emphasis on security and preparedness highlights the importance of being ready for any crisis, no matter how unlikely it may seem. Her dedication to being prepared, coupled with her influence and reach, serves as an inspiration to many who look up to her as a role model. Now let's talk about the enigmatic Kanye West. Kanye has always been a visionary, and this extends to his prepping efforts. He has been involved in creating a self-sufficient community and has invested in substantial security measures. Kanye's approach to prepping includes everything from sustainable living to advanced home security. Along with Kim, he invested in building an underground bunker. He has developed innovative housing solutions aimed at providing affordable and sustainable living conditions. Kanye's investment in land and technology reflects his commitment to creating a secure and self-sufficient environment for himself and his family. His vision includes developing eco-friendly housing, renewable energy sources, and advanced security systems to ensure complete self-sufficiency. Kanye's dedication to prepping is evident in his detailed planning and execution, demonstrating his forward-thinking approach to survival. By focusing on sustainability and security, Kanye sets a unique example of how to prepare for his future, combining creativity with practicality in his prepping efforts. Up next is Mark Zuckerberg. The Facebook founder has built a massive underground bunker in Hawaii, sparking media speculation about his motivations. This bunker is designed to protect against natural disasters and potential social unrest, showcasing Zuckerberg's commitment to ensuring his family's safety. Zuckerberg has also invested in advanced home security measures and regularly reviews his preparedness plan with security experts. His approach to prepping reflects his focus on safeguarding his personal life while continuing to lead one of the largest tech companies in the world. Zuckerberg's bunker includes state-of-the-art technology, communication systems, and ample supplies for long-term survival. By investing in such comprehensive preparedness measures, Zuckerberg highlights the importance of being ready for any scenario. His proactive approach to security and preparedness sets a strong example for others, demonstrating that even those at the forefront of technology understand the value of being prepared. And now we have the multi-talented Lady Gaga. Gaga focuses on safety and privacy with her underground bunker, preparing for societal disruptions or natural disasters. Her commitment to preparedness ensures that she is ready for anything while maintaining her unique, iconic lifestyle. Gaga has invested in advanced security systems and regularly updates her emergency plans. Her proactive approach to safety reflects her dedication to protecting her personal life while continuing to push boundaries in her career. Gaga's bunker includes all the essential amenities for long-term survival, from food storage to medical supplies and communication systems. By prioritizing her safety and preparedness, Gaga sets an example of how to balance personal security with a high-profile lifestyle. Her dedication to being ready for any scenario underscores the importance of preparedness in maintaining a secure and stable life. At number 7, we have the Hollywood superstar Tom Cruise. Known for his intense dedication to his roles, Cruise applies the same intensity to his personal safety. He owns an underground bunker in Colorado, emphasizing security and extensive preparations to protect himself and his family from potential threats. Cruise's bunker is equipped with all the necessary amenities for long-term survival, including renewable energy sources and a stockpile of supplies. His commitment to preparedness is unwavering as his dedication to his craft, ensuring he is ready for any scenario. Cruise's approach to prepping includes regularly training in self-defense and survival skills, reflecting his action-oriented mindset. By taking such comprehensive measures, Cruise demonstrates the importance of being ready for any situation, no matter how unexpected. His dedication to security and preparedness serves as a powerful reminder of the value of being proactive and prepared. Next up is Ronda Rousey, the former UFC champion and current WWE superstar. Rousey is not just a fighter in the ring, but also a dedicated prepper. She lives on a homestead in Southern California with extensive prepping supplies, including crops, livestock, and solar batteries. Rousey has been open about her preparedness lifestyle, emphasizing the importance of self-sufficiency and survival skills. Rousey believes in the power of being prepared for any situation. She regularly shares tips on how to grow your own food, manage livestock, and generate renewable energy. Her homestead is a testament to her commitment to living sustainably and being ready for any crisis. Rousey's proactive approach to prepping has inspired many of her fans to consider their own preparedness plans. Her dedication to self-sufficiency and her practical advice on how to achieve it makes her a standout figure in the prepping community. At number 9, we have Alex Jones, the founder of InfoWars. Jones is well known for his conspiracy theories and emphasis on prepping. His controversial stance on various topics has made him a polarizing figure, but he is undeniably a dedicated prepper. Jones is an advocate for self-sufficiency and often discusses the importance of being ready for any scenario. Jones's approach to prepping includes stockpiling food and water, investing in secure locations, and maintaining a well-equipped bug-out bag. He regularly shares tips on how to prepare for various disasters, from natural catastrophes to societal collapse. Despite the controversy surrounding him, Jones' emphasis on preparedness has inspired many to take steps toward ensuring their own safety and security. His dedication to being ready for any situation highlights the importance of having a plan and being proactive about survival. Rounding out our list, we have the tech mogul Elon Musk. Musk is not just preparing for disasters on Earth, he's thinking about the survival of humanity as a whole. With SpaceX, he's working on making humans a multiplanetary species. This means building a sustainable colony on Mars to ensure humanity can survive even the worst disasters Earth could face. Through Tesla, he's pushing sustainable energy solutions with electric cars, solar roofs, and advanced batteries. Musk's philosophy is that preparation is key to ensuring the future of our species, whether that means colonizing Mars or driving an electric car. But Musk's efforts don't stop there. He's also behind the Boring Company, which aims to revolutionize urban transportation with underground tunnels. These tunnels could potentially serve as safe havens during emergencies, providing a secure and efficient means of evacuation. Musk's diverse approach to preparedness highlights his unique vision for the future, combining cutting-edge technology with practical solutions for survival. Whether it's creating a sustainable Mars colony or developing innovative transportation systems, Musk is always thinking several steps ahead to ensure the safety and survival of humanity. So, why are we talking about celebrities and their secret prepping life? There's a valuable lesson to be learned here. The elites of our society, with their money and fame, have access to more resources and more information. They know things that we don't know. If they're suddenly becoming interested in emergency preparedness, then we should too. Now, while we might not have the money and resources to build a bunker and hire armed guards, we can still take important steps to prepare, like building an emergency food supply over time. There's always something we can do to better prepare for what's coming. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more insights and tips on emergency preparedness. Stay safe and keep prepping.